So you guys are over here. Nobody should have their iPads. So we have cause and effect, which is one of our text structures, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So cause and effect with your topic. So first off, you have to know what your topic is. My topic is the Revolutionary War. So what I have to do is I have to see if I can write my whole article in a cause and effect system. Alright? We've noticed that sometimes they have paragraphs or headings that are in the same text structure, then another text structure would be a different paragraph. This one we're going to see if we can do the whole thing. So here's how this looks, and you guys are going to be doing this at your seats. Cause will go here. Effect goes here. Whatever the cause was, this was the effect. It means what happened. It looks like effect. Let's fix that. There we go. Effect. So my first cause is there was a war with France. Okay, it's between the British and the French. Okay, we'll look later. So British versus French. Because of this war, thank you, Mrs. Bennett. Because of this war, their British taxed the colonies. Oops. All right, so here we go. War with France. What was the effect? British taxed the colonies because they needed money. They wanted money. Cause, effect.
Moolah.
All right, so here's the next one. So I could ideally have a heading that talked about just that, couldn't I? Okay. Are some of you starting to think right now, ooh, I could do this with my topic. Oh, good, I'm glad. Here's the next one. Taxes were a cause of totally ticked off colonists.
They were mad.
Totally ticked off colonists. They are mad. So this caused this. This is the effect. What happens next? This is also kind of chronological, isn't it? First this, then this. All right, what happens next? Well, the cause is the totally ticked off. We're going to do TT. Totally ticked off colonists. What did they do? Oh, so this is the cause. Totally ticked off colonists. And what's the effect of these totally ticked off colonists? Well, yes, it is war. Absolutely. War between Britain and, nope, that was up here, and the colonists. The colonists are British, but as Zach pointed out, they were wanting to get out of that. Cause, ticked off colonists, effect, there's a war. Final heading, this is my final piece. Cause, the war caused the colonists to gain their freedom. Colonists gained freedom. Do you see how I went from cause to effect?
Yeah.
Now, some of you have an explorer. There's a cause for what happened with the explorer. I can already see Henry Hudson. His crewmates were ticked off at him. The effect was they kicked him off the ship. Yes. That's a cause and effect, but that's more towards the end. You'll notice how I went in order. This is kind of a timeline going this way.
Well, dude.
I'm not saying you have to, though.
What the heck?
Well, you're going to be on that, just so you know.
He just kicked it.
Oh, I'm sure it wasn't on purpose.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, relax. Catherine will get to hear you guys bickering. So cause and effect. This is what you're doing with your topic. You're going to write your topic at the top of your writing page, and you're going to come up with a cause and what the effect was. Something happens to make something else be the effect. Who already has an idea of what they're going to do? All right, well, here's the best part. You guys get to work in your teams. Okay? So, you can go ahead and stop that, Dustin.
Okay.